Hello everybody, I'm setting up for one of my favorite kicks is the front leg hook kick. They have the back leg hook kick, which I don't see much sense in any more than I see sense in a back leg side kick, but it has its utility, I'm sure. I'm just too new and too novice to really understand these things. But back leg hook kick, chamber, kick out, and then something like that. And what it does, it sweeps across. Now, the play of it, the trajectory of the foot and leg, kicking with the heel, coming through with the ball of the foot, straight through something like that. So, this is the height, by the way, that I don't think I've ever attained, so I'm working on it. It's a bit tricky to master, and well, heck, I'm 56. I got plenty of time, right? So I'm going to try the spinning hook kick. And we were doing this the other day in class, and Master Kevin, second Dan, shooting for his third, I believe in July, was holding it up here. I said, sir, no, can do. Age, flexibility. He said, try it. So what he did, he explained to me, go back, go down. So maybe I can replicate that here. It's going to be fun to watch. Just, if anything, for amusement. Spinning crescents are easier. Shirt, like, it's not a workout shirt. It's not a workout shirt, but I love it. Best t-shirt I have.